So, what exactly are these inflation-protected bonds?
We fight for your hard-earned money.
With inflation-protected bonds, I receive compensation a bit like with variable rate bonds. It's essentially a premium, but here it's based on inflation. If inflation rises, I also receive a higher interest rate. That means my bonds are protected against inflation in this way. And I also have a safeguard against rising inflation.
What exactly does investment grade versus high yield mean in the context of financial markets and bond ratings?
Yes, that refers to the ratings from the three major rating agencies. These agencies, and only these, meaning private companies that provide an assessment, define how good a company's creditworthiness is. And now, regarding the most well-known of the three, namely, in this context, AAA is the highest rating, but only a handful of companies and also only a handful of countries in the world have this rating. The USA, for example, does not have it. It goes down from AA to all the way to BBB. These companies are also considered to be very creditworthy, and accordingly, they receive an investment grade rating down to BBB minus. And then there are about 10 more credit rating levels below that. If it gets downgraded further, then the credit worthiness is lower, and then it is referred to as high yield or junk bond.
Thank you very much, Helge. So if you are interested in bonds, if you want to invest in bonds and want to learn more about them, give me a call. I will schedule an appointment with Helge. We will meet with you and we will discuss investment opportunities in bonds. I believe that the current situation in particular offers many interesting opportunities to invest very successfully in bonds. And with Helge's help, I have to say, I have also built up a portfolio over several years now. I have to say, I am very, very satisfied. I would like to say that I am more satisfied than some investors who have dealt with stock. So I operate. He operates for me. He selects a mix of stocks and bonds for me. And I have to say, I am very satisfied. If you are interested, call me or send me an email at contact@swiss-banking-lawyers.com. Thank you for your time, and I hope to see you again on my channel. I wish you a wonderful day. Be wealthy and stay wealthy.